Alright guys, we finally back turkey hunting, and it's been a exciting morning. I got in here late. I had to work last night. I didn't get down to the hunting camp to probably 3:30, 4 o'clock this morning, and I decided to take a nap, but that nap was a little bit longer than I thought it was going to be, so I woke up about 7:30, and I rushed to get over here. And once I come in, I could hear one turkey gobble down here where I'm set up right now. And once I got down here and made one call, that turkey was right down at the bottom of this hill. And so I just decided to set up right here, just off this little trail. And probably 3 or 4 calls, well, probably 2 calls into it, he was just right there. He couldn't have been no more than 100 yards away from me. And at that time, I'm sitting here waiting for him to come up here, because I don't know if he's still on the roost or he's just on the ground. Then a hen come walking off from down there. I thought that was him at first, but the hen just walked around down the bottom of this trail right here. I tried to follow her, but I don't know if I did or not. So I said, that Tom has got to be behind that hen. So I'm sitting waiting for him to come walking the same way the hen came from. And by that time, I'm sitting up. I already got my gun off safety and everything. And he walks up the hill, not right across down the bottom of the hill. He comes up the hill. I mean, he's taking his sweet time, because all this happened in probably 30 minutes. And when he come up that hill, I could see him by this tree down here. I mean, they're probably 60, 70 yards away, probably 60. And he was puffing up and everything. I said, okay. But it's some tree limbs right here in front of me. And I seen him turn like he was going to keep going up the hill. And I got an open spot right here. Let me show you. I got an open spot right here by this tree. And that turkey was just down there by that other big tree down that way. I was hoping he came out through that little spot right there. But as you can see, these clump of trees right here in front of me, when he went behind them, I lost him. So he didn't come out in the hole I had right there. He must have turned around and walked right back. Them dang squirrels, they got me thrown off this morning too. I don't know if that squirrel, because it was a squirrel that came about 20 yards in front of him going up the hill. I don't know if that spooked him or not. I don't know if he seen me. I did move the camera just a little bit to try to get you guys, on him, but I didn't want to focus in, because I couldn't look at the screen and look at him too. So I just barely turned you guys over there for you could see whatever happens. And I lost him. He never come out on the other side of the clump of those trees. But I heard turkeys all over the place. I heard one behind me, right where I parked my truck at. Then it was one on the ridge, on the food plot over the ridge here. Then it was 2 that I'm finna go see if I can find down this other side of my food plot, close to this side to me. So I'm gonna go that way, because I don't know if that turkey went up that way toward those other 2 turkeys over there. But they don't stop saying anything. They don't went quiet. All the turkeys. Because I've made a couple of calls and nobody said nothing. So, but at least we seen the turkey, because if it wasn't thick right there, I would have took that shot when he first come over. But I wanted to make sure he was a long beard. I didn't want to be no Jake or nothing like that. So So I was waiting for a better view, basically. Well, let's see if we can move over and see if we can get on another turkey somewhere. Cause it's 9:30 right now, so we're not gonna be too long. But I haven't heard anything gobble here lately in the last 20 minutes or so. But let's pack up stuff and move anyway. Them turkeys are still here. They just not saying anything. And I always wonder why is that, you know, they just gobble, gobble, gobble all morning long. Then all of a sudden they just shut up and stop. I know, you know, they could have found a hen or something like that, but I know all the birds didn't find a hen. And guys, I use my tournament winnings, my fishing tournament, this past tournament I won, to buy a new GoPro. There's a new GoPro 9 with the little media package on, just like the one I got right here. And I also bought the max lens for the one that goes on my chest, so it should give good stabilization and should be a better picture. Like I said, then I just got this on a little selfie thing, and just, you know, for when I'm walking around, I don't have to pull out my big camera. I can just use this. So, but if you know, if anybody wants to support my channel, down in my description is my PayPal and my Cash App. So I'm just saying, if you want to support it anyway, anyhow, that's a good way to do it. Like I said, with all this hunting and fishing that I do, it gets expensive, and I want to keep on doing it. Work has not been that great here lately, so, but we still getting by. But I just wanted to put that out there just in case somebody did. Alright guys, this is morning 2. I went and got the help of good old Terry, and we're gonna go back down here and see if we can't find them turkeys from yesterday. You don't think he can come up here? That might have took 30 minutes to down walk 10 feet yesterday. He's still on the roof. He's gonna sit up somewhere in here and start calling and you'll get him to respond a couple of times. Then you'll get that son bitch come up here on this roof. He's gonna come up that goddamn road and come out here on this roof. I mean, otherwise you have to walk through the woods. He's right there. Alright guys, we're gonna move down to my food plot. The turkey that we was on this morning is starting to go around toward my food plot in the back, and we heard like 2-3 other turkeys coming from a distance. Sound like they was getting closer. Sound like they're in the back of my food plot over there. So we're gonna move down there, see if we can get a a better position on these turkeys, because they gobbling. They just, it's not coming this way. Alright guys, shit, we didn't get it done this morning. That turkey, he was just stubborn. He didn't want to move, and when he did move, it sounded like he was moving away from us just a little bit. And like I said, we went down to my food plot. We heard one gobble, well, I heard one gobble that was close and another one in the far distance. But we never did get nothing to come in, so like I said, it's Sunday, it's probably almost 10 o'clock, so we're gonna call it for the day. I want to thank Terry for coming out with me and trying to help me get this turkey. But he already got 2 on the ground. And congratulations to Terry, he got 1 yesterday. Greg, I mean, yeah, this is Terry, I'm sorry. Greg got 1 yesterday. And I guess that's it, guys. To the next video, make sure you subscribe, like. We're out of here. Thanks for watching.